So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upscale your images using Leonardo AI. So to do this is pretty simple. So here you can go with the past previous generations that you did. So let's just say we have a dinosaur here. So this is my past um, generation from a few months ago. So as you can see here, all you want to do is actually go here and select your image, for example, and then you will have your image upscaler. So this is new, so this will refine upscale your image, so this can improve face features, hands, and parts of the process. So the fine details will come when you get premium, of course. So maybe you would want that later, so but there's more image upscalers here. So there's creative upscale, alternative upscale, and there's HD smooth upscale. So you upscale it for 5 coins right here. So let's do it right here and let's wait for the results. So basically this will just refine everything as its name suggests. So this will just go on as you get a premium, of course. So if you don't have premium, you have the option to go use your coins and now you can view it. So there you go, it's now upscaled. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.